summer looks today. What do you think? Comment down below. Let's just get right into this video. It's actually really simple. So yeah, let's do it. All right, so I'm gonna start with some skincare today, and I'm gonna take the Hey Honey Come Clean Propolis and Mineral Face Scrub. This is an exfoliating scrub, but it's really gentle for sensitive skin. That's why I'm using it. My skin has been really sensitive recently. Then right after that, I'm just gonna take a sheet mask, and this is from the Sam. I actually got 2 sheet masks in my glam bag, so I decided to use the Natural Tox Apple Sheet Mask, which is gonna be more for radiance and smoothing your skin's texture before you put on makeup. Okay, now I'm gonna actually tone using this Pixi by Petra Glow Tonic, which actually doesn't have alcohol in it. It's really important to make sure that you don't have alcohol in your toner, and it does have aloe in it too, which is really good for my dry skin. So yeah, it gets all that nasty stuff off your face. Then I'm gonna moisturize my lips using the Hanalei lip treatment in the shade Mauve Pink. I actually am obsessed with this shade, but this really just suits your dry lips, and it's really long lasting, so this is perfect before you start your makeup. Then I'm gonna prime using the MAC Prep and Prime Skin, and this is really lightweight. It also is gonna tone down redness and just give you radiance. Then I'm gonna use the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream in the shade Light and apply that with a sponge. Then to conceal, I'm using the Kokie Cosmetics Be Bright Illuminating Concealer in the shade Light. This actually is really, I'm obsessed with this. You guys, you know how I am with the concealer, but this really just hides imperfections, but also illuminates your dark circles and evens out the redness. So it's really nice. Then I am just gonna set my face using the Essence Mattifying Color Correcting Powder and just throw on some brows real quick off camera because it takes me forever. Then I took the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Powder in the shade 725 to kind of contour my face and blonde my face too. I also just took that powder and put it in my crease of my eye. And this is actually going to be the base of my eyeshadow look, and I did put it on the lower lash line as well. Not too much because this look is really light, so I just kept it pretty simple, pretty easy. Then I took the Steve Laurent single eyeshadow in the shade Blueberry, and I put this on my lower outer corner and just really diffused it out, and I did bring it up onto the very top of my lash line. I was very gentle with this color. It actually is really pigmented, but I was just really light with it. It is a baked eyeshadow, so it will have a really intense pop of color. Then I took this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Gel Pencil in the shade LST and lined pretty much just like the outer corner of my upper lash line. I kept it pretty light, but I did want to have like a diffused blue look, so I also buffed it out after I laid it down. I aligned my upper lash line with the Dante Blue Felt Tip Eyeliner Pencil in black, and this is just quick drying and long lasting, so I like to put that on my lash line to hide my lash band because I did put on false lashes. Then for blush, I used the Ofra Cosmetics blush in the shade Melon. It's really blendable and has a really nice formula. I love this like vibrant shade. Then I just quickly lined my lips with the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in the shade Heartbreaker, just the tiniest bit around my lip line, and then buffed it in with my finger. Then I took the MAC Little Lip Glass. These are so tiny. I love the little ones. I just put this on my lips, and this is in the shade Nymphette. It just has a really glass-like shine. That's why I like the lip glasses. But you guys know I love lip gloss. I love it. Then I set my face using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and fan myself off, and that's the look. Honestly, super simple. What do you guys think? I think this is just a really nice, soft summer look, but also really intense too in a weird way. But anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I hope you have a great time watching, and I will see you in my next video.